Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix your music player is not working, how you can fix this problem in your Redmi device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your player. You have to long press it and click on I button. Here you have to give all your permissions in it, like music and audio, notification, photos and videos, microphone and camera you can give also, like this you can see, and press on storage and cache. First clear cache this and clear this storage, like this. Press back, go to notification, and here you have to all enable this, and then you have to open your music app and give all your permission, user agreement and privacy policy, and agree this, like this. Give all your permissions and you can see it is working now. Videos and musics are also showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.